Hi everybody, this is Hannah Tega. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time, you're very welcome. And if you've been before and you're back again, thank you so much for coming again. Make sure you subscribe and press that notification bell. Thank you so much. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to make a very simple tote bag in 30 minutes. So let's get into the video. First of all, you want to lay the fabric flat on the table and find the right side you want to work on. As you can see on the screen, I'll be taking 17 inches for the length of the bag, which is the height, and I'll add 2 inches seam allowance. That seam allowance is for the top bit that you're gonna be folding. And for the width of the bag, I'll be taking 13 inches with 1 inch seam allowance, 1 inch just on the side. So both sides will have half an inch each, but I'm gonna be taking it just straight on, 14 inches straight. Then by the time I'm sewing, I'll be taking half an inch on each side of the bag. The next stage here is to cut straps for the bag, and you will need 2 straps and each one is 20 inches. I'm going to be taking 20 inches for the length of each strap and 2 inches for the width of the strap. So once you've cut the straps, you want to start sewing the bag itself, taking half an inch on each side like I said, and 2 inches over there. Just fold and fold again to make the 2 inches you're gonna be stitching down. So I've gone ahead to stitch down the top bit of the bag, 2 inches, 2 inches, then, and remember it was 2 folds. I folded it by 1 inch, then folded it again, making 2 inches. So now I'm gonna be stitching down the sides of the bag. Remember, it's ½ inch on each side. So once that is done, you want to turn it over. You turn the bag over, and it's time to start sewing the straps. So here you want to fold only once and stitch down ½ inch all the way down and stitch only one side of the width. Once that is done, you want to take a pencil or anything that will make it easy for you to turn the strap over to the right side. Once that is done, you want to iron the straps flat. Once you have ironed the straps, you want to top stitch on both sides, one stitch there and one stitch there, and you do the same for the second strap. And once you have top stitched, it's time to attach the straps to the bag. Here you're gonna be taking measurements again to confirm how many inches you've got for the width of the bag and divide it by 3. Then attach the strap. One of the side of each strap is gonna be sitting on 1/3 of the bag, while the other side of the strap will sit at the other 1/3. Make sure you've got equal measurement for the straps. It is important to secure the straps to the bag using your pins. If you have got pins, you can use them to secure the straps so it stops it from moving around and for ease of sewing. Here we have the finished look of the bag. It's looking amazing, isn't it? Beautiful, simple, stylish bag. So it's very easy to make, guys. You can go ahead and make as many bags as you want. It doesn't take more than 30 minutes to have this tote bag, and you can fold it easily in your bag, or you can hide it anywhere. It's very easy, it's soft and flexible. Thanks so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope this has helped you to make a tote bag. I want you to like, share, subscribe, and comment on this video, and I'll see you in my next video. But till then, guys, take care of yourself and bye for now.